Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Listen, I know a lot of us are going through different things, and people have a lot of financial issues in regards to what's going on in the economy and everything. And a lot of people are just losing their homes. And I just want to give you guys some quick information in regards to if you're in a situation you cannot pay your mortgage, you lost your job, you got sick, job cut your hours down, it's just too much money, going out, not enough coming in and stuff, and people making tough decisions and stuff in regards to where they have to live, how they're going to eat, what they're going to do with their children. And I just want to give you guys some information. If you're in a situation where listen, I cannot pay my mortgage. We're part of the CARES Act. The federal government established forbearance programs where you have up to a year. You don't have to pay your mortgage. Okay, again, that's up to a year. You don't have to pay your mortgage. Okay, a lot of people right here are not really familiar with it, so because again it's not publicized what's going on. We know when we think about the CARES Act, we just think about stimulus checks and people getting these government loans, but again, forbearance for mortgages is one of the crucial aspects of the CARES Act. Again, they give you up to a year. You don't have to pay your mortgage on your home. Okay, one of the things that I want to, and it also applies to rental properties as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be for your primary dwelling. That's very important too. Okay, but I want to give you guys a couple of tidbits in regards to the forbearance program. Okay, number one, the most important thing, you got to ask for it. Okay, they're not going to give you a call or anything. So if you're not paying them, just stop paying them. That's just you're putting yourself in a hole with that. So you have to call them. Say, hey, listen, can I be put into the forbearance program? Okay, that's number one. Give them a call. The second thing is just to let you guys know it's relatively easy. They're not looking at your income level. They're not looking at your credit or anything like that. It's just set up there. So just give them a call. Let them know. You don't have to worry about, hey, what kind of minimum qualification or anything do I have to have in order to get it. The third thing, this is great about it, there is no penalty for doing it, okay? Now, the money is sitting in a certain area where it's accruing. But most of the times, the banks aren't looking, or the mortgage companies aren't looking to just make you pay this balloon payment. Is that possible to happen? Yeah, but are they trying to go back to being landlords like they did back in '07, '08, and '09? Absolutely not. So they can be very creative in terms of maybe modify the loan or put those payments added to the whole loan total, just give you a different amount, okay? So I wouldn't stress too much by that. Again, there is no penalties for doing it. But keep in mind, guys, the fourth thing, you still owe the money. You still owe the money, so you're not off the hook for the money and everything. But again, they got a creative way where they can redistribute the money as part of the loan package. Uh, and another thing, the fifth thing I think is very important. Just about all, I won't say all, but most of the loans qualify for it. So you just give them a call, okay? Don't put yourself in a situation you're about to lose your house. You're stressing because you feel like you don't have the money. You have up to a year, okay? Take advantage of this. So call your mortgage companies, call your banks, say, hey, I need to be put in the forbearance program, okay? But while you're in the forbearance program, be very proactive and kind of be thinking about, okay, this is where I'm at. This is, and then where in the point where I want to be or where I'll be later on. What is my plan to kind of get everything straightened out? Am I looking for another job? Will I be looking maybe possibly if I'm like, hey, I don't know if I'm gonna be in a good or better situation a year from now. Will I be looking to sell? Just kind of have some different things going out. Going through your mind. You may have to do some rebudgeting. Some of the things in your house, your cable, gym memberships and things like that, you may have to get rid of in order to bring more money back into your house to get back on top of things with your mortgage. But while you're in this position, like I said, up to a year. If you don't have to do it, don't use it. If you need it, use it. Okay? It's best to have and not need and need not have. I push that all the time, guys. So just make sure you have some kind of plan in place for coming out of it or just moving through it, so to make sure you're in a better place. So take advantage of this program. Again, that forbearance program, you got to get those folks a call, let you know up to a year where you have to make any payments, okay? Again, this is Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. Short Dollar, where we talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship, business, and real estate investing. I hope that information helped you guys. Take care of yourself. Hey, and most importantly, hit that dollar sign in the bottom right hand corner. Take care.